Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Rajeshwar from YR PharmaTube. In the previous video, we learnt some of the inhalational anesthetics such as halothane, methoxyflurane and enflurane. If you did not watch it, hit the I button on top right of this video to watch it. For the other related topics of anesthetics and medicinal chemistry, the links are available in the description below this video. Watch them. In today's class, we shall discuss the other inhalational anesthetics such as sevoflurane, isoflurane, and desflurane. The first drug of this lesson is sevoflurane. Sevoflurane was discovered by Ross Terrell in 1975 and introduced into clinical practice in Japan in 1990. It is a highly fluorinated methyl isopropyl ether used as an inhalational anesthetic for induction and maintenance of general anesthesia. It has the fastest onset next to the desflurane. While its offset may be faster than agents other than desflurane in a few circumstances, its offset is more often similar to that of the much older agent isoflurane. The blood gas partition coefficient is 0.65, the oil gas partition coefficient is 50, and the MAC is 2.1%. Sevoflurane reacts with desiccated carbon dioxide adsorbents to produce compounds A and B with known toxicity. Its breakdown is influenced by the type of carbon dioxide adsorbent used, the temperature of the adsorbent, and the duration of exposure. The major breakdown product compound A, that is pentafluoroisopropyl fluoromethyl ether, has been studied extensively. Compound A is nephrotoxic in rats and non-human primates and remains a theoretical risk to humans. Sevoflurane is a volatile, sweet-smelling, non-pungent, non-flammable, and non-explosive liquid with a boiling point of 58.6 degrees centigrade. Sevoflurane acts as a positive allosteric modulator of the GABA-A receptor in electrophysiology studies of neurons and recombinant receptors. However, it also acts as an NMDA receptor antagonist, potentiates glycine receptor currents, and inhibits N-acetylcholine receptor and 5-hydroxytryptamine 3 receptor currents. Sevoflurane is one of the most commonly used volatile anesthetic agents, particularly for outpatient anesthesia across all ages as well as in veterinary medicine. It is administered in a mixture of nitrous oxide and oxygen. It is the preferred agent for mask induction due to its lesser irritation to mucous membranes. It is often used to put children asleep for surgery. During the process of waking up from the medication, it has been known to cause agitation and delirium. The next drug is isoflurane. Isoflurane was approved for medical use in the US in 1979. It is a halogenated ether. It is chemically 2-chloro-2-difluoromethoxy-1,1,1-trifluoroethane. It is a racemic mixture of R and S optical isomers. It is a structural isomer of enflurane. Isoflurane is synthesized from 2,2,2-trichloroethanol, which is first methylated by dimethyl sulfate in the presence of potassium hydroxide. The resulting methyl ether undergoes chlorination by molecular chlorine to give 2-dichloromethoxy-1,1,1-trifluoroethane. In the subsequent interaction with hydrogen fluoride in the presence of antimony 5-chloride, chlorine atoms are ultimately replaced by fluorine atoms. The resulting ether again undergoes chlorination by molecular chlorine to give isoflurane. Isoflurane is a volatile liquid having a boiling point at 48.5 degrees centigrade with an MAC of 1.15, a blood gas partition coefficient of 1.43, and high solubility in fat. It vaporizes readily but is a liquid at room temperature. It is a non-flammable compound. Isoflurane reduces pain sensitivity, that is analgesia, and relaxes muscles. It binds to GABA, glutamate, and glycine receptors but has different effects on each receptor. It acts as a positive allosteric modulator of the GABA-A receptor in electrophysiology studies of neurons and recombinant receptors. It potentiates glycine receptor activity, which decreases motor function. It inhibits receptor activity in the NMDA glutamate receptor subtypes. It inhibits conduction in activated potassium channels. It also affects intracellular molecules. It activates calcium ATPase by increasing membrane fluidity. It binds to the D subunit of ATP synthase and NADH dehydrogenase enzymes. General anesthesia with isoflurane reduces plasma endocannabinoid concentrations, and this could be a consequence of stress reduction after loss of consciousness. Isoflurane is sold under the brand name Forane. It is always administered in conjunction with air or pure oxygen. Often, nitrous oxide is also used. It is usually used to maintain a state of general anesthesia that has been induced by another drug such as thiopentone or propofol. It is frequently used for veterinary anesthesia. It is given via inhalation. It is a known respiratory irritant but less so than desflurane. And the last drug of this lesson is desflurane. Desflurane is a highly fluorinated methyl ethyl ether used for maintenance of general anesthesia. Its IUPAC name is 1,2,2,2 tetrafluoroethyl difluoromethyl ether. Like halothane, enflurane, and isoflurane, it is a racemic mixture of R and S optical isomers. It has a blood gas partition coefficient of 0.42, an MAC of 7.3%, and an oil gas partition coefficient of 18.7. The low blood gas partition coefficient leads to fast induction times and short recovery times. It can react with desiccated carbon dioxide adsorbents to produce carbon monoxide that may result in elevated levels of carboxyhemoglobin. Some drawbacks of desflurane are its potency, its pungency, and its high cost. It may cause tachycardia and airway irritability when administered at concentrations greater than 10 volume%. Due to this airway irritability, desflurane is infrequently used to induce anesthesia via inhalational techniques. Though it vaporizes very rapidly, it is a liquid at room temperature. Desflurane is a non-flammable, colorless, very volatile liquid packaged in amber-colored vials. The boiling point is 22.8 degrees centigrade and it requires a vaporizer specifically designed for desflurane. It should be stored at room temperature. Though it vaporizes very rapidly, it is a liquid at room temperature. Desflurane is known to act as a positive allosteric modulator of the GABA A and glycine receptors and as a negative allosteric modulator of the nicotinic acetylcholine receptor, as well as affecting other ligand-gated ion channels. Together with sevoflurane, it is gradually replacing isoflurane for human use except in economically undeveloped areas where its high cost precludes its use. It has the most rapid onset and offset of the volatile anesthetic drugs used for general anesthesia due to its low solubility in blood. It is not recommended for induction of laryngospasms, coughing, breath holding, and increase in secretions. It can produce a dose-dependent decrease in blood pressure, and concentrations exceeding 1 MAC may cause transient increases in heart rate. This is the list of references followed for the lesson. That's all in this video, the inhalational anesthetics. In the next lesson, we will discuss the ultra short acting barbiturates. Till then, never stop learning and never stop watching my videos. Thank you for watching this video.